So hi, this is part two. It took a little debugging. I had talked about in the prior video that it could be in one of these capacitors, and it's also a bypass capacitor right up by the microprocessor. So I wanted to separate out these two parts first. So what I did was I cut through the trace here, and it was still shorted. So that either meant that my charge controller IC was bad, or one of these two capacitors was bad. And well, it's pretty easy to pop one of these off, and so I took a chance and I removed C2. You know, it's a 50-50, and lo and behold, the short went away. Now I can press the magic button here. What I've done is I have this 18650 that I pulled out of some old computer or something. It's not great, but it's good enough for our test, and it might get me through one cycle. So I'm going to press the little start button here, and you press that for a little while. Now the green light comes on, the fan's blowing, and if I touch my finger on that, I'd scream bloody murder. So it's working. It had me that little surface mount capacitor. So yeah, I just wanted to update on you. You know, anything, if you take a logical approach to it, you can diagnose what the problem is. On a lot of circuit boards where there's a short, I have some really good power supplies. I mean, I can pump 10, 20, I can plug 50 amps into a circuit board, and you can trace through, look for the lowest voltage, and that'll be your short. Ooh, the smell of ozone. But like I said, first I cut this break here, and so I knew it wasn't this part of the circuit. And then I knew that, okay, it had to be this or these two capacitors. These little capacitors short out now and then. There's a far higher failure rate on these than regular capacitors. And like I said, I just took a chance. You heat these up, you pop them off. I'll bridge in another little capacitor here before I put it all back together. But it's running. I can press this, I can turn it off. Beep. And that's it. Anything can be fixed if you just take a little bit of time and think about it logically. Thanks for watching.